Pi Network has emerged as one of the most talked about and often debated projects in the cryptocurrency space. Its unique approach to mining and its massive user base have made it a subject of intense scrutiny and fascination. Sparking massive online debate and attracting millions of users worldwide, Pi Network has undeniably captured the attention of both seasoned crypto enthusiasts and newcomers alike. The promise of easy access to cryptocurrency through a mobile app has resonated with a global audience. The big question, the one everyone is asking, is Pi finally on the verge of a major price surge, a breakout moment, as it nears its long-awaited open mainnet launch? Will it deliver on its promises, or is it destined to fade into obscurity? The anticipation is palpable. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive mining, which requires specialized hardware and significant electricity consumption, Pi aims to make digital currency accessible to everyone regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources, through a simple, user-friendly mobile app. This approach democratizes access to crypto in a way never seen before. Founded by Stanford PhDs, bringing a level of academic rigor and technical expertise to the project, Pi's mission is to break down barriers to crypto adoption, making it easier for everyday people to participate in the digital economy and benefit from blockchain technology. It achieves this by letting users mine coins with just a daily tap on their smartphone, a process that requires minimal effort and no specialized hardware. With over 55 million engaged users across the globe, a testament to its widespread appeal and accessibility, Pi's scale is unprecedented in the crypto world, dwarfing many established cryptocurrencies in terms of user base. However, critics question its legitimacy and the real-world value of its unlisted token, raising concerns about its long-term sustainability and potential for actual utility. But the project is now at a pivotal moment, a critical juncture that will determine its future trajectory. As it prepares for public trading and listing on cryptocurrency exchanges, the stakes are higher than ever. The current enclosed mainnet phase allows real transactions within the Pi Network ecosystem, and facilitates app development on the platform, but deliberately keeps Pi off external exchanges, preventing premature speculation and market volatility. This strategy focuses on deliberately building utility and a robust ecosystem before opening the floodgates to speculation and external market forces. Recent growth in mainnet migration, as more and more users transition their Pi coins to the mainnet blockchain, and increasing instances of real-world bartering and transactions using Pi, signals that Pi's ecosystem is maturing and gaining traction, demonstrating its potential for real-world applications. This progress is fueling speculation that a public launch, the moment everyone has been waiting for, is imminent. In this video, we'll break down the underlying technology, examining its strengths and weaknesses, the dynamics of its massive community growth, exploring the factors driving its expansion, the ongoing ecosystem development, assessing its progress and potential, and crucially, the inherent risks, carefully evaluating the potential downsides. We'll be offering a clear, data-driven look at whether Pi Network is a sleeping giant poised to revolutionize the crypto landscape, or just another overhyped project destined to fade away. Pi Network's real innovation lies not just in its technological underpinnings, but in its approach to accessibility and user engagement. It's about bringing cryptocurrency to the masses, making it as easy to acquire and use as any other app on your phone. Is its mobile-first inclusive distribution model. This means that anyone with a smartphone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources, can participate in the Pi Network. It's a truly global initiative, aiming to democratize access to digital currency. Using a lightweight version of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, Pi ensures transactions are validated efficiently and securely, without requiring energy-intensive mining processes. This is a crucial element in making cryptocurrency accessible on mobile devices. Pi lets users mine coins with a simple daily app check-in. It's a passive process that requires minimal effort from the user, making it easy to integrate into their daily routine. No expensive hardware required. This eliminates a significant barrier to entry for many people who are interested in cryptocurrency but cannot afford specialized mining equipment. This gamified approach has attracted millions, creating a vibrant and engaged community around the Pi Network. The ease of use and the potential for future value have made it an appealing option for many, especially in developing countries where access to traditional financial services may be limited. Pi offers a potential alternative, providing a way to participate in the digital economy, where smartphones are common, but computers aren't. This mobile-first strategy recognizes the changing landscape of technology adoption, particularly in emerging markets. Security circles, users vouching for each other, add a unique layer of trust, helping to prevent fraudulent activity and ensure the integrity of the network. This social element is a key differentiator for Pi. Pi's tokenomics reward early adopters, incentivizing participation and growth in the initial stages of the network, with mining rates halving as the network grows, creating a sense of urgency and encouraging new users to join before the rewards become less significant. Creating scarcity and urgency. This is a common strategy in cryptocurrency to drive demand and potentially increase the value of the token over time. Critics say the structure favors founders and early users, raising concerns about fairness and equitable distribution of wealth within the network. But supporters argue it's necessary to bootstrap the network, providing the initial incentive for users to join and contribute to its growth. Unlike most crypto projects, which often rush to list their tokens on exchanges, Pi is delaying exchange listings to focus on building real-world utility first. This is a deliberate strategy to avoid the speculative frenzy that often plagues new cryptocurrencies. The goal: a peer-to-peer marketplace where Pi is used for actual goods and services, creating a tangible value proposition for the cryptocurrency, not just speculation. The focus is on building a sustainable ecosystem where Pi has real-world applications. The extended enclosed mainnet is a calculated move to foster a real economy before exposing Pi to market volatility. This allows the network to mature and develop its utility before being subjected to the unpredictable forces of the open market. Whether this is a masterstroke or a stalling tactic remains to be seen. The success of Pi Network will ultimately depend on its ability to deliver on its promise of real-world utility and create a sustainable ecosystem. Pi's greatest strength, without a doubt, is its massive, engaged community. It's not just about the technology, it's about the people who are actively participating and believing in the project's vision. This vibrant community is the lifeblood of Pi Network. We're talking about over 55 million active users, not just downloads. These are individuals who are consistently engaging with the platform, contributing to its growth, and exploring its potential. This network effect, this sheer volume of active participants, could give Pi instant liquidity and demand when it hits the open market. Imagine the possibilities when millions are ready to transact. Over 10 million users have completed KYC and migrated their balances to the mainnet, a crucial step towards establishing trust and regulatory compliance. This demonstrates a serious commitment from the user base, turning app numbers into real crypto. This migration signifies a tangible shift from theoretical value to actual digital assets. The rollout is deliberate, ensuring stability and security. The team is prioritizing a robust and secure infrastructure before public launch. This measured approach aims to prevent common pitfalls associated with new cryptocurrency launches. Pi's user base is global, with strong adoption in Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America, regions often underserved by traditional finance. This widespread adoption highlights Pi's potential to reach populations excluded from the conventional financial system. For many, Pi is their first crypto, offering practical value for cross-border payments and local commerce. It's providing an accessible entry point into the world of digital currencies. Developer activity is growing, with the Pi browser hosting a range of community-built apps, from games to e-commerce, showcasing the versatility of the Pi platform. Pi hackathons are spurring innovation, showing real interest in building utility and expanding the Pi ecosystem beyond just a digital currency. While app quality varies, the ecosystem's organic growth is a positive sign, indicating a healthy and evolving platform. This grassroots adoption and developer momentum suggest Pi is more than just a mining app. It's evolving into a comprehensive digital ecosystem. The foundation for a resilient PA economy is taking shape, brick by brick, user by user, app by app. The enclosed mainnet is Pi's most controversial phase, full blockchain functionality, but no external trading. Supporters say this forces the community to build real utility, not just speculate on price. It's a large-scale testnet with real stakes, aiming for a robust economy before public launch. Critics argue it's a walled garden, delaying true price discovery and frustrating early adopters. The lack of a firm open mainnet date fuels skepticism. The core team says launch depends on user migration, app diversity, and market conditions all progressing, but not yet complete. The firewall's removal will reveal if this strategy built real value or just prolonged the hype. Pi's long-term success hinges on its developer ecosystem. The core team provides tools for building apps that use Pi for payments and authentication, all accessible via the PE browser. Community-built apps now include social tipping, marketplaces, and games. Early but promising proof of concept. Hackathons have driven innovation, especially in local commerce and peer-to-peer transactions. Grassroots marketplaces let users buy and sell goods with Pi, creating a circular economy independent of external prices. Challenges remain. App quality is inconsistent, and the enclosed network limits ambition. The open mainnet will be the real test, exposing apps to broader competition and integration with Web3. Success here could unlock a wave of growth for the Pi ecosystem. The Open Mainnet launch is the most anticipated event for Pi's community. It will connect Pi to the wider crypto world, enabling exchange listings and true price discovery. A listing on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase could bring massive exposure and liquidity. The huge user base could create intense buying and selling pressure, leading to extreme volatility at launch. Anticipation is already driving engagement, with users rushing to complete KYC and prepare for trading. The core team remains vague on timing, prioritizing ecosystem maturity over a rushed launch. Progress in KYC, migration, and app development suggests the launch is close. For millions, this is the moment their patience could finally pay off. Even before public trading, Pi is powering real-world bartering. Pioneers are using Pi for everything from coffee to electronics, setting informal values in local communities. Pi accepted here signs are popping up as merchants tap into the growing user base. This grassroots adoption is rare in crypto. Utility before speculation. If these microeconomies scale, they could provide a price floor and real demand when Pi goes public. The challenge is transitioning from informal barter to scalable, app-driven commerce. Success depends on quality marketplace apps and easy business integration. The current bartering hints at Pi's potential as a true everyday currency. Despite the hype, Pi faces serious risks and criticisms. Centralization is a major concern. The core team controls development governance and KYC, creating a single point of failure. Regulatory uncertainty looms with global authorities watching Pi's massive user base and unique model. A crackdown in a key country could derail progress. Many users mine Pi for free, so the open mainnet could see a flood of selling, risking a price crash. The project's success depends on enough users holding or spending Pi, not just cashing out. Skepticism persists with accusations of data harvesting and founder enrichment. The long wait and lack of a tradable asset have fueled doubts. Overcoming reputational damage and proving legitimacy on the open market will be a huge challenge. These risks shouldn't be ignored by anyone watching Pi's future. Pi Network stands at a crossroads, an ambitious experiment with massive potential and real risks. Its greatest asset is a huge, engaged community, built through a mobile-first, accessible approach. The utility-first strategy may pay off, with grassroots commerce